I think that interacting and talking to other people is such a joy because I learn new things, but so do they. I feel better after I've had a good conversation with someone. What Tony is doing with this, teaching us how to talk to each other, is so important, especially now when so many people are tied to their phones and they don't know how to make conversation.
People don't say hello anymore. They say, hey, how's it going? And then they keep going, but I might have had an answer.
When Tony started his Play2MeetPeople series, I was all in. And sure enough, every time I come out, we do such fun events. Everybody gets to feel included, and it's a great time to meet people. It's not your average sort of boring networking event.
Everyone knows we meet so many people or walk by so many people in the day, and we shouldn't have to have a reason or a specific spot like this place to meet people, to network. Like, we should be able to, uplift and make people's day by just smiling or complimenting or holding the door or whatever it may be to create an interaction and a connection.
It's hard to be in a room full of strangers because we're all so different, and everyone has their own unique life experiences, and you don't know how you connect with people and where you can find common things to talk about. But the one common thing that we all have as people is that we crave genuine human connection, and we all just want to connect to people. And our lives are defined by our relationships to other people, and it's good to just expand it, whether it's just friendly acquaintances or an in-depth conversation, that we should just continue to talk to more people, I guess.